You can landscape your patio by yourself or hire professionals. How much you can do in terms of landscaping is determined on the environment and your skill level. The critical thing which should never be overlooked is planning. Detailed planning will categorize the space to the appropriate tasks and gets rid of late and expensive mistakes or wrong placements. If you are well planned, you'll almost certainly end up with such a multifunctional backyard with both zones for activity and plants. Unless you're not sure about your DIY or design abilities, hire a professional. For some inspirational ideas for you to consider, we have come up with this video. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. A landscaping designer will help you with every step of the process, including selecting the ideal flowers and plants for the yard and suggesting reputable builders for decking and pools. However, if you have a limited space to work with and a little gardening knowledge, you may go the do-it-yourself way. Look around, browse and see what others have done. Before doing anything and purchasing any item, create a plan for how you'll organize everything to create an appealing space by researching landscaping options. Depending on where you are located and your weather condition, you can add structures like shades to let you cool off. Hot, sunny days don't mean you have to stay inside with a fan and a sweating glass of ice water. You can keep your patio area cool with a touch of shade. There are numerous options when it comes to shades. You can install a canopy over your pergola or invest in a pop-up gazebo. A folding umbrella is great for a dining area. You could even put in a retractable canopy for your awning. Of course, it's hard to beat a good shade tree. Strategically placed shade trees in and around your patio area could do a lot of service. When designing your backyard, your indoor and outdoor area should be considered as one cohesive space. By joining the indoor and outdoor spaces like the one, you can make the interior and exterior appear bigger. Space should be appealing and inviting to draw you outside. You can do this with an extension or something as simple as stretching garden structures. Once established, you can personalize your patio. Nothing makes someone feel more at home on a new patio than being surrounded by the things that bring them joy. Get in touch with your inner decorator and consider adding some personal finishing touches. You can even divide each corner to each family member and let them come up with decor ideas. Popular flourishes include garden statues, sundials, bird baths, decorative plants, wind chimes, and weather-resistant sculptures. Another way of decorating your patio is by using furniture. Selecting your furniture is essential. The furniture should go with the space and should be weather resistant as much as possible. Purchasing new furniture is a great way to spruce up your outside area without having to make major repairs. There are a number of styles accessible, ranging from hammocks, couch sets and outdoor dining sets to outdoor cushions and sun loungers. Simply go to your nearest warehouse store to discover high-quality but low-cost patio furniture. It's hard to not discover anything that matches your style, based on your tastes. To make the environment even more pleasant, add an exterior rug and solar lighting to the mix. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked patio design ideas and backyard garden landscaping ideas for your house exterior decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.